Hey everybody, so for this week's video, we had to draw our own diagram, and as you can see, I drew my own, took a picture, and threw it into a Word document. And on my diagram, I did label quite a bit of things, and then I found that there were 8. Not everything is labeled. There's a couple things that go into the order that are not labeled, and you should be able to figure those out. So I figured out there was 8, and it does go youngest from oldest, so 1 is the youngest, 8 is the oldest. And it'd be nice if you guys would pause the video and figure it out yourselves and try to do it yourselves and see if you got the same thing as I came up with. If not, if you just want to see me do it, then that's fine. I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds to be able to pause it before I just get into it. All right, so hopefully you did it and paused it and went through it and did it yourself. If not, that's fine. I'm going to start getting into it right now. So for the youngest thing, I did the surface erosion, which is this area right here. All this erosion right here is probably going to be the youngest Earth. After that, K, I got as the second youngest, which is these conglomerates. Next, I got A. And A was I decided maybe a type of sandstone or something. These circles aren't necessarily conglomerates either. I just did it for a pattern. So A was the next youngest. So after A, we have these squiggly lines right here, and this is actually erosion as well. And but there's actually it's a certain type of conformity, and it is actually disconformity. The reason is disconformity is because this layer right here, I said is probably a shale, and shale is sedimentary. So there's no angular motion, it's straight lines, and then there's erosion. So erosion of sedimentary is disconformity. So that was in number 4, the 4th youngest. And then for the 5th youngest is this dike right here. The reason, or O, the reason this is the next youngest because it does cross C, M, and F, crosses right over them. And it probably might have been a little higher this at one point, but through erosion that was cut down as well, just like C was cut down. And that does cross over C, so that is younger than C. So the next youngest is C. This could be shale stone or something, some kind of sedimentary rock. The next youngest, and this is supposed to be a straight line. It's kind of hard to draw a straight line apparently for me, but the next youngest is M, which is some kind of sandstone. Or yeah, some kind of sandstone or limestone, actually some type of limestone, I believe. And then the next youngest, the last layer, F, which is some type of another sand or shale stone or something. So that's the order I got right here. Hopefully you guys got the same thing. That's all I got for you. Thanks for, hopefully if you did it before I did it, that's awesome. If not, it's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one.